Thinking about things that happened in the past or thinking about things that might happen in the future can sometimes make us feel worried. When we are thinking about things that happened in the past or things that might happen in the future, we sometimes forget to pay attention to the things that are happening right now. For example, imagine you are watching TV, but you have a lot of things to do later. You can't stop thinking about all of the things you have to do later, and you forget to pay attention to the TV program. When the TV program is over, you can't even remember what happened because you forgot to pay attention. Paying more attention to the things that are happening right now can help us feel less worried and more relaxed. Paying more attention to the things that are happening right now is sometimes called being mindful. When we are being mindful, we notice all of the things that are happening around us, such as things we can see, hear, smell, touch, and taste. We might also notice what we are thinking and how we are feeling. Being mindful also means that we do not try to decide if the things that are happening right now are good or bad, but just notice them as they are. There are lots of different exercises we can do to help us become more mindful. If we practice these exercises, we can get better at being mindful and become more relaxed. I would like to try one of these exercises with you now. First, make sure you are sitting comfortably. You might like to have both of your feet on the ground and have your back against the back of your chair. If this is not comfortable for you, you can sit any way you like. If you need more time to get comfortable, just pause the video and come back when you are ready. Now, I would like you to look around the room you are in and notice 5 things you can see right now. For example, I can see this cup that is on the table in front of me. You can either say the 5 things you can see out loud or think them in your head. If you need more time to notice 5 things you can see right now, just pause the video and come back when you are ready. Next, I would like you to notice 4 things you can hear right now. For example, I can notice the sound of my voice talking. You can either say the 4 things you can hear out loud or think them in your head. If you need more time to notice 4 things you can hear, just pause the video and come back when you are ready. Now, I would like you to notice 3 things you can touch or feel right now. For example, I can feel my jumper on my skin. If you need more time to notice 4 things you can feel or touch, just pause the video and come back when you are ready. Next, try to notice 2 things you can smell right now. I can smell the perfume I put on this morning. Lastly, try to notice one thing you can taste right now. For example, I can taste the coffee I drank earlier. Now, try to notice how you feel after doing the exercise. Do you feel less worried, or more worried, or more relaxed, or less relaxed? Or do you feel exactly the same as you did before the exercise? This is just one mindful exercise that you can do to help you become more relaxed.